Hi, this is a very brief orientation to this course. What I wanted to point out is whenever you open up a course in your master's program, whether it be the educator, executive, or nurse practitioner track, they'll always come to a home page. There are standardized links at the bottom of an image, start here, syllabus, modules, and schedule, and there are also standardized links along the left-hand side of the computer. What's important here is I want to take you to the modules. And you'll notice that there is some dark text here, and then this is lightened. And this dark text actually has a functional link, and these do not have links. So what that means is this course is just set up so it is sequential. So you have to click the first darkened text, read that content, mark as done, and then move on through. You can either hit next, and you can look at the next one is a message from Dr. Susan Thornock. You can hit mark as done, and you can either hit next, or you can go right back to modules. And you can also see your progress. That way you can see what you have completed through via the green check mark here. But the point is you cannot move through a module until you hit and read or participate in each link. All this information is important, so please take your time with it. And then once you complete the first module, then you move right on through the course. Thank you.